Hi there! Today we're going to talk about some of Google's accessibility tools. Accessibility means making things easier on your Chromebook for people who may need extra support. Accessibility features are found by clicking the time in the lower right-hand corner and choosing the Settings button. Then we'll click here for accessibility. In the future, you can always click Show Accessibility Options Quick Settings to make these options easier to find. There are two features that read text out loud. We're going to start with Select to Speak. This tool is great for students who need help with focusing and reading, and you can choose which sections you want to be read aloud.
An observant worker at Dewar's Farm Quarry in England has helped uncover hundreds of dinosaur footprints.
ChromeVox reads literally everything you put your cursor on, so this tool is best for students who need visual help seeing the screen.
Dinosaur footprints unearthed in England. Address and search bar. Edit text. Toolbar.
There are similar tools in an extension called Read and Write. Every student has this extension on their Chromebook. Check the description box below for the link to that video. Now we'll talk about dictation. This tool types out words you speak, and it works on any website. You may need to adjust your Chromebook's language if you're using something other than English. On any website, you can use the Reading Mode tool to help you read and focus. To use this feature, you will click the three dots, click More Tools, and choose Reading Mode. This takes the text from the page and puts it into a side menu. Highlight a certain paragraph like this, and it will appear in the side menu. You can change the font style, size, and letter spacing. You can also turn links off if they're distracting. Zoom in to just one part of the screen by pressing Ctrl+ on your keyboard. You can zoom out by using Ctrl- or reset the screen with Ctrl-0. Use this last zoom option by going to Settings, scrolling to Accessibility, and choosing either Enable Full Screen Magnifier or Enable Docked Magnifier. And now let's take a break for some cool shortcuts. Mouse cursor. The red circle follows the mouse while it moves on the page. Text caret. The blue circle appears and highlights where you are typing. And finally, here are some cool tricks you can do with your mouse. You can increase the size of the cursor to help with navigating. You can use automatic clicks where instead of pressing your trackpad, holding the cursor over something will click it for you. Thanks for watching!